Stative Verbs Quiz. Do you know how to use stative verbs like think, love, smell, and have? Test what you know with this useful quiz. You have 20 questions to answer. Let's get started. That can't be right. I don't believe you. The holiday is next week. I'm imagining myself on the beach right now. I've changed the design slightly. What do you think? He's not answering. Does he have his phone with him? "42? Are you sure that's the answer, or are you guessing?" The film's on at 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Which do you prefer? Where's Amy? Oh, she's smelling the flowers in the garden. I don't know, but I doubt he'll win the election. Are you making bread? It smells amazing. I imagine they'll be here quite soon. They're having coffee with Xavier later today. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Jace thinks it's a good idea, and Ben agrees. I'm feeling this avocado to see if it's ready to eat. She's seeing the dentist at 5 p.m. today. Do you know what I mean? I don't know the answer. She seems happy at the moment. This coffee tastes delicious. I want to order it for you too. He loves you more than anyone. As we come to the end of this video, we hope you found this quiz helpful and entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in our next videos.